Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something that's been on a lot of minds in the crypto world. How to convert Ethereum, ETH, to Monero, XMR, in 2025. With the crypto landscape evolving rapidly, including new regulations and enhanced privacy features, this process is more straightforward than ever, but it still requires caution. Whether you're looking to boost your privacy or diversify your portfolio, let's break it down step by step. First things first, make sure you have a secure setup. Start by verifying your ETH holdings in a reliable wallet like MetaMask or Ledger. In 2025, we've seen upgrades to wallet security, so enable two-factor authentication and keep your software updated to protect against hacks. Next, choose a reputable exchange that supports both ETH and XMR. Platforms like Binance or Kraken often work, but check for any 2025 specific restrictions, such as enhanced KYC requirements due to global regulations. Once you're logged in, transfer your ETH to the exchange wallet. Remember, fees can vary, so look for the lowest ones to maximize your returns. Now, for the conversion. Use the exchange's trading interface to swap ETH for a bridge currency like USDT if direct pairs aren't available, then exchange that for XMR. Monero is all about privacy, so appreciate how it masks your transactions, perfect for those seeking anonymity. After the swap, withdraw your XMR to a private wallet immediately to avoid any exchange risks. A quick word on risks. Crypto markets are volatile, and converting ETH to XMR might involve slippage or high fees. Always research current market conditions and consider using decentralized exchanges for added security. In 2025, privacy coins like XMR face more scrutiny, so stay compliant with local laws. There you have it. Converting ETH to XMR doesn't have to be complicated. If you follow these steps, you'll be set. Don't forget to double-check everything and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.